What's good, YouTube world? I'm excited this video has came across your screen. Um, I'm surprised I even made this myself. This will officially be my unofficial first video showing my face on YouTube, and I'm excited. I don't have a lot of emotions to give you right now, but I really am excited inside because it's a big step. Um, if you follow this page, I hope that you are looking to learn about artificial intelligence, but also learn more about life and how you can incorporate this into your daily lives. And I just wanted to do a somewhat introductory video to put a face behind who's making these videos. I don't know how often I will. However, I do think it's important for you all to understand the the beauty, but also the power in actually trying and doing new things that you're not comfortable doing. I have always been someone who has been behind the scenes, putting other people in the positions to win. But with this AI topic, I wanted to use my voice more to help people like me understand the topic, but also understand the value in it. Um, it's a very broad topic, and dealing with the internet right now, you can really go down some crazy rabbit holes about AI, and a lot of people will be trying to sell you the latest AI, and there will be a new one every day until probably 2026. And it's very important that you just stick to whatever your game plan is when learning it. Do you need to know every AI tool or use it? Probably not. The ones that I mainly use is ChatGPT. Is it the best? Probably not. Is it simple? Yes. With that being said, you take your journey how you want to take it, but do remember that the world is moving more technological. Is that a word? It's moving more techy. And the more you can incorporate yourself into it, but also stay balanced in the real world, will help you advance and stay relevant in the ever changing markets. And I'll keep it short, but if you like what I'm saying and think it could benefit you, or have any topics you want to learn together or want me to speak about, um, leave a comment, subscribe, leave a message, connect with me, and we could definitely grow together. I do have a lot of aspirations with AI that I won't fully get into the details in. However, I do want people to grow with it and for us to learn together. I started learning about AI about, I would say, 6 months ago, for real, for real. And since then, I have progressed, even written an ebook on it to help other people. But also, I'm still utilizing it every day and seeing the potentials of it. So, this is officially my first video once again. Tap in with me. Everything will be in the description. And stay wealthy.